Okay, this next example asks us to find the y-intercept of this line. And it says y minus 2/3 x plus 2 equals 0. So if I want to identify the y-intercept, well, the first thing that I want to do is actually put this in slope-intercept form, meaning that's the easiest situation here for us to do. Also, I'll talk about two ways actually we can do this. If you endeavor to put this in slope-intercept form, that means solve for y, get y by itself. That means that I would subtract off 2, first of all, and then I would have y minus 2/3 x equals negative 2. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Then if I add 2/3 x to both sides, because again I seek to get y by itself, I now have that y, these cancel, equal. Now remember, in slope-intercept form it goes y equals mx plus b. So you want your x portion to be written first. So this would say y equals 2/3 x minus 2. And clearly now we see that our b here is negative 2. So my y-intercept is negative 2. But if you did not want to do that, let me show you a different way real quick here of obtaining the y-intercept. The y-intercept, just to teach a little bit, the y-intercept is actually the place where your graph crosses the y-axis. So if this is an xy plane, any point that crosses the y-axis, that is considered your y-intercept. Now, one thing that you'll notice about all y-intercepts is that for every y-intercept, the x-coordinate is always 0, and then there's some number here for y. So we could have, from the start here, we could have solved for the y-intercept by actually placing 0 for x and solving the equation for y. And I mean, we would say y minus 2/3 times 0 plus 2 equals 0. This says that y negative 2/3 minus 2/3 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 2 is 2. So y plus 2 equals 0. And if I take one more move here and solve this for y, this says that y equals negative 2. So there's a couple of ways actually that you can get at your y-intercept for this example.